To send money from France to the Philippines, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, determine the amount you want to send and the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information if you are sending directly to their bank. Next, choose a money transfer service that operates in both France and the Philippines, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or online services like Wise or PayPal. Each service has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times, so compare these before making a decision. Once you have selected a service, create an account if you do not already have one. This typically involves providing identification and contact information. After your account is set up, log in and navigate to the section for sending money. Enter the recipient's information and the amount you want to send. The service will then provide you with the exchange rate and the total cost, including any fees. Review this information carefully before confirming the transaction. You can usually fund the transfer using a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. The recipient can then receive the money in their bank account, at a cash pickup location, or through a mobile wallet, depending on the options offered by the service and chosen by you. It is essential to ensure the recipient's information is correct to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. Additionally, be aware of the daily transfer limits and any restrictions that may apply. After the transfer is complete, you and the recipient will typically receive a confirmation, and you can track the status of the transfer through the service's website or mobile app. Remember to only use reputable and licensed money transfer services to protect yourself and your money. By following these steps and choosing the right service for your needs, you can send money from France to the Philippines efficiently and securely.